Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel! So, as you can see, I have here a very big box kasi nga, we are gonna inbox my Balikbayan Box! Yes, and we are using Subarashi service. Oops, no promotion intended, but I just want to tell you what kind of services we are using here to send our box to the Philippines. Alright, so they're not paying me to do that. Alright, just let me clear that up to you. Well, it's a time of year again when me or us OFW send Balikbayan Box to our loved ones in the Philippines. Because aside from that, di ko kauli this year. And di pa ko kauli next year. I hope not, kay tungod sa pandemic. I decided to give them something that makes them happy while I'm gone. Charot! So, last weekend, me and my friends went to Costco and I signed up for a membership. Yep. And for today, I'm gonna show you some of the products I got from Costco. Okay, first product, I got this one. I really love this, and it's kind of heavy. Okay, there you go. I got Spam. This one is really affordable, and duha na siya ka box actually. And in one box, it has 3 cans of Spam. Okay, righty. Okay, second product, this one. Yes, it's a Thai sweet chili sauce. Okay, actually, I got this for myself. Biglang ko itusnog na ko ang pinirito sa any sauce. And since I don't like the ketchup here, so I decided to buy this one. I hope it won't disappoint me. Yeah, Thai sweet red chili. Okay. And third, I got this one. Yeah, Hershey syrup. So Hershey syrup, actually, this is not for me. This is for the pag-umangkon in the Philippines. Kay I'm not really into a liquidy chocolate, and di ko ginhaw bread ng butangan o chocolate. I don't know why. I just don't like it. So I got this for them. I hope they will like it. Hershey syrup, good for tuna siya, and very affordable as well, like the Spam. Okay, this one. For the fourth product, I got this. It's really heavy. This mini sneakers, good for 1,020 grams. Heavy ka siya, daghan siya sulod. Wala ko kabang pila, basta kay mini sneakers siya. Sneakers. Alright. And also, since I'm really stressed these days, so have a break, have a Kit Kat. Yes, I got Kit Kat for 678 grams already. Yeah, Kit Kat. Actually, I was planning to buy the Kit Kat assorted one, like katundahan of flavors, but this is not for myself, this is for my family, and they don't like much of flavor, I think, so I decided na tani na lang kay para dili masayang. So yeah, Kit Kat. Kit Kat. Oh. And for the sixth product, I got this one. This chocolate is from France. I haven't tried this, but they said if it's from France, it's delicious. So I got truffles chocolate for 1 kilogram. I hope lami siya, okay? But chocolate man siya, so maybe lami siya. So truffles. I got this one. Yep. So actually, at first I thought Christmas balls siya kay tanaw wala gud. But pagbasa na ko kay kung siya milk chocolate Christmas tree decoration. So pwede siya di mo i-decorate sa inyong Christmas tree. Kay ang ilang balls na siya something higot para ibitay. But I think in the Philippines it's too hot, malayat na iraon niya, unya daghan pag hulmigas, so it's not ideal. Here in Japan as well, wala pud may Christmas tree dire, so di ko ni mabitay. So pangkon na gani siya pangkaon. But it's pretty cute, and it's also 1 kilogram already. So, yeah. And for the 7th product, so this one is very interesting, actually, because of the sudlanan. I really love the sudlanan, and I really like the idea nga pwede nimo siya mag-gift to anyone without packing na. Di na mo siya i-pack or i-wrap. Di mo siya ihatag. So, wata na mo to and from, pwede na kaayo. And also, it comes in a gold color. So, I really love it. And there you go. It's from Belgium. Bam! Then, look at that. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it beautiful? So, this is a Ethereal chocolate. It has this champagne strawberry flavor, which is really, really good and pretty unique. I haven't tried this kind of taste before. So, actually, I've tried one. Akong nakuha ko sa kaya akong gitalawan kaya na interested lang ko. So, lamig siya. It's very different from other chocolate, normal chocolate. So, I got this and I hope my family would love it. Would love this as well. Okay? So, from Belgium. And also, as what I'm telling you, you can give this to anyone and then you can just write to and from. Pwede na siya pang gift, alright? Especially sa mga bagong kasal or family. And also, this is really good as a display in your house. Pwede siya pang display, guys. And I really love this. I'm gonna buy another one for myself as well. Okay. And lastly, this is my most favorite product that I've got and I'm so proud of myself, okay? When I was young, I was really dreaming of buying a lot of these, but it's kind of expensive in the Philippines. Wala pa ba ko'y kwarta sa una. I'm not saying na nana ko'y kwarta ron, but di jud ko afford ani sa una. So, moto, pagkakita na ko sa Costco, like, wow, this is my chance. Well, I really love this. It's from Italy, and if I'm not mistaken, this is by Pietro Ferrero. Yes, so I got the Ferrero collection. Look at that. Yes, Ferrero collection, and it has 3 flavors already. So first we have Ferrero Noir, Ferrero Rocher, Raffaello. If I'm not mistaken, so it's very difficult to pronounce their taste, this kind of chocolate, but I really love this. Yeah. So in the Philippines, it's really expensive. And in one box, it has 2 layers, and one layer has 24 chocolates. So it has 48 pieces of chocolates inside. So this is really good for a family size. Alright, Ferrero Rocher. So I think most of the products I got from Costco kay Maurato, but I have a lot of products as well from Japan chocolates and everything. So I'm gonna show you later on kaya ako pa siyang i-wrap, and after that, join me in putting them all here. I hope magkasya lahat kay marag ubay-ubay jud siya no, daghan jud kay siya. And for me, it's really difficult to pack. Kay tungod sa kadaghan, maglibo ko kung saon nga safe siya o di siya maguba or dili siya mabusdot ng gabot sa Pilipinas. Right? So I hope everything will be fine. So let's now begin wrapping everything. Come on! So ito na siya. So these are some of the clothes na ipapadala ko. Tsaka may ano pa, foods, yes, cosmetics and everything. Yeah, so this one, this box, punong-puno siya ng mga chocolates, kaya binox ko siya para hindi siya masira pagdating sa Pilipinas. No, mga snacks dito. Yes, that one. Tsaka ito yung para sa pamilya ko rin. Irarap ko pa to mamaya. Okay. So, yun na siya. Ang dami, no? Ang dami. Natapos rin ako sa pag-arrange ng mga gamit inside Balikbayan Box. So I hope everything will go well and I hope it will arrive safely in the Philippines. So, pagod na ako ngayon, guys. But I'm just happy kasi natapos na rin lahat. And again, that's it for today. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon in my vlog. Bye bye.